Welcome. So this is a quick overview of the Miro platform that we will be using for a few assignments this semester. So Miro is a web-based platform that serves as a collaborative whiteboard. Uh, and so for this particular assignment, we're going to be working on universal design for learning. So it should hopefully look familiar. This is the graphic organizer with columns for multiple means of engagement, representation, action, and expression. And here are the instructions. So if you want to see them in a little bit more detail, you can click on these double arrows and it'll pop the instructions over for you. You can navigate through, you can move around the board, and if you have a mouse connected, you can actually scroll and zoom in and out, or on the bottom, you can also um, zoom in and out through the map. For this particular assignment, you're going to be using the sticky notes, and so you can click on the sticky note, or you can use a keyboard shortcut N to select a note. You can pick a color that you like and drop it into any one of the boxes. And then you are going to go ahead and type your strategy or tool or anything in particular that you think would be relevant for this particular sector. So for example, this one would be a tool or strategy to support engagement and how you might recruit interest in your students. If you can also, if you're not, have not created an account for Miro, if you can go ahead and just type your name at the bottom of the card, that would be great because then we can keep track of your entries. The idea is to give you and your classmates a place to collaborate and build an ongoing repository of really helpful tools that you can hopefully bring into your classroom. Um, we urge you to come back and take a look at what your peers added. And if there's anything in particular that stands out on any of the post-its, you can go ahead and click on it. Miro supports the ability to add comments, so you can go ahead and click on that and add your comment and send it to them. You can also use the at feature in order to um, particularly tag someone. Another way that you can add a comment is by using an emoji. You know, you can give someone a thumbs up if you find this particular strategy helpful. Another feature that might be able to help your peers, if you can take the time to add tags to your strategy, uh, this little tag icon will pop up this menu. And so you can either, if your strategy is in particular to math or science or reading strategy, go ahead and click on those and they'll be added. Or you're also welcome to add a custom tag if it's not related to any of these particular subjects. This will help us kind of filter out and be able to isolate particular strategies. So this is a really quick overview of the Miro platform. Please, as always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions. And we really look forward to seeing your creation. Okay, be well.